Today, I am going to present our Innovate X Hackathon submission to elevate your game with our advanced UCI compatible chess engine, powered by Python, XBoard, a graphical user interface for chess, Python Makefile, UCI protocol. Our chess engine features allowing it to communicate effectively with various chess GUIs such as Arena Graphical User Interface. Our engine processes moves, evaluate board positions, and generate optimist strategies using alpha beta pruning algorithm to find best move. Our max depth is set to 4, which evaluate more number of potential future positions. So now let's go to our demo of chess engine. So as you can see, we have files, new game, load game, where we can load our games. We can have our previous positions, next positions, we can save our game, we can save our positions, which is handled by UCI protocol. Also we have save games as book. We can also quit the game. And now moving over to edit section, we can copy our game positions, copying game list. Even we can paste games, paste positions. Also we have the option of editing games position, tags, comments. Also we can have it truncating backward forward. Now let's go over to view section where we have flip views, engine output, move history, evaluation graph, game list, tags and comments. Also we have boards, fonts. Now moving over to mode, we have machines of white and black. We can have two machines. We have analysis mode also, and we also have analyze game and edit game options. Now let's go over to action. Here we can have call flag, draw, abort, resign. Also we can adjust here to white and black. Now let's go over to actions and engine. Edit engine list. We have load new first engine, load new second engine, hint, book, refract, move. Now let's move over to option section where we can have the features like muting our sounds, controlling our time, adjust it according to our needs. We can have load games. Also if we have any problem in our XBoard, then we can directly contact it via info XBoard. Now let's see it in action. As you can see here, we have 5 minutes for black and 5 minutes for white, which is adjustable by our algorithms. So please see it in action. During this hackathon, we have learned a lot about UCI protocol, elevated our algorithmic thinking, and achieved proficiency in Python language. And in future, we plan to enhance the engine capability by incorporating more advanced algorithm and heuristics. Thank you from Team Chessify.